Welcome back, my lovelies, to WellPulse TV channel. I'm glad you stopped by. My name is Tina if you're new here. And to my returning subscribers, I just want to say thank you for all the supports. I'm not taking it for granted. And I love you all from the bottom of my heart. All right, today we are diving straight into DHL jobs. As you all know, DHL is global, and we're here to explore the job opportunities this company is offering. All right, we're on this page. You want to search for jobs, you can put job titles here, or you can go to, if you are searching with the job titles, you could go under these categories where they have administration, insurance and risk, communication, legal, consulting, marketing, customer service, operations, delivery, procurement, finance and controlling, real estate, freight transportation, sales and business development, human resources strategy and management, IT, warehouse and package handling. All these are the categories with which you can search for job. And if you don't want to do that, there's also another way to search for job, which could be by entering location, as you can see. For instance, you can put in the name of the country where you live in, and it will pop up. For those in Africa, you can put, for instance, say Ghana, and then you hit on find jobs or search. So when you do that, they will bring up any job openings that's available in your country. We just search for Ghana, and as you can see, there's manager, account payable, currently hiring in Accra, Ghana. You see that, and it's full-time, and this is a permanent job. All right, you could go back, play around with your location and filter it down to your country, from your country to your city. All right, say for instance, if you live in Sweden, you live in Germany, you just want to type your location. Here I want to say USA, and let's see what they have available in USA. Okay, once you type that in, it's gonna give you every job that you have in USA. You could see they have lots of job openings in United States of America. Likewise, other countries, if you live in Canada, if you live in Australia, you live in Europe, just narrow it down. Spain, wherever you live, put in your country name and click on search. So this right here is for America. We could try open, one of the job openings for me to show you how to proceed with the job application. This right here says operation supervisor. Let's use this for an example. I just click open, and here they will tell you about what the job entails. This right here is scheduled for third shift. If you're someone who's looking for like night shift, this will be the right job for you. It shows Monday through Friday. That's the schedule. And you start work by 11 p.m. and closes at 7 a.m. All right, the job opening position is operation supervisor in distribution. And here they want to tell you so much about DHL. Of course, you want to read it and know about them. As an operations supervisor, what you stand to do, what you stand to represent, what your responsibilities are, it's what they summarize here. And it says, at DHL supply chain, you will play a pivotal role in ensuring the smooth and efficient operation of our warehouse. Your responsibilities go beyond daily management. You will be instrumental in implementing processes to optimize our warehouse operations. Your leadership will be vital in guiding our frontline associates, fostering a safe and productive work environment, and ultimately driving the overall success of DHS supply chain. So you can see this is what the job entails. And it goes ahead to say, with over 500 facilities and more than 50,000 dedicated associates, DHS supply chain North American attributes. Chain North America attributes its success to the hard work and dedication of our team. Okay, and then he went ahead to say job description. These are what you're going to be doing: lead, motivate, and develop a diverse team of frontline associates by providing coaching, guidance, and support as needed. You're going to be taking proactive measures to consistently uphold compliance. You're going to be monitoring key performance indicators. You're going to foster an environment, of open communication and collaboration, facilitating regular and effective dialogue among leaderships and associates to promote transparency, alignment, and teamwork. All right. And then when I had to tell you the requirements, this job right here requires bachelor degrees or equivalent experience, which is preferred though. 1+ years operational experience, 1+ year logistics industry experience preferred. Staff management experience. And he went ahead to tell you that DHL is an equal opportunity employer. All right, guys. So, and after that, if you go down, you're going to see similar roles, in different states. Inventory control manager. This is in Tennessee. This right here is in Fort Worth, Texas, and so forth. So, my lovelies, take your time, explore this website. They got a lot of job openings. They practically have something for everyone. So, say for instance, you want to apply for this. The next thing you want to do is click on Apply Now button. Okay? Once you click that, it brings you to the active listing where it tells you more about the position. And you go down, scroll down. You see where it says apply. Hit on that apply once more. Okay? And it's going to bring you to this page where it's literally walking you through the application process. You're going to start by filling in your first name, your last name, email address, phone number, street where you live in, your country, your state, your city, your postal zip code. And after that, you want to check on this if you want to be receiving updates, via SMS messages. The next thing will be to upload your resume, and you click on continue. If I click on continue, it's not going to take me because I haven't filled in all this required information, but once you put in your information, click in continue. This takes you to the next page where you're going to, finalize and submit. All right, guys. So there's nothing holding you back at all. And feel free to always explore. You can always come back here. If you've been here and you don't see something you like, feel free to come back again. All right, so come back again and again and again. You can also put a tab on it so that you can always check what they have going. Don't forget, there are faster fingers everywhere looking for similar opportunity as you are. Our responsibility is to point you to the right direction. This right here, this company has got something for everyone. All right. If you live in Germany, you want to type in Germany, and that's it. Once you put in your country, it gives you all the job openings available. Germany, and you hit on go. If there is an opening in Germany, it's going to bring it to you. Look at that. For my German fans, German subscribers, you got something here. Full-time permanent. This is full-time temporary. Full-time temporary. This is part-time. They even tell you can work 14.15 hours a week. So what's holding you guys? Check it out and let me know in the comment section. If you find anything interesting and you are willing to work on it, or you are willing to send an application, if you need help in any ways, put it down in the comment section. I will be more than happy to help you. Okay, I'll be more than happy to answer your questions. If you enjoy this in any ways, if you want to see more of videos like this, kindly give me a thumbs up, like this video, share with your family and friends, and subscribe. That way you are motivating us to keep bringing you videos like this. Until next time, stay financially strong and happy job hunting.